Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Gurison Gamer and welcome to another video. This time I bring you Robin Hood Legend Quest on the Commodore 64 from 1992. So I tried this game out recently on the Amstrad, but it was not that good actually. It was very slow and sluggish and unresponsive, so I'm gonna take a look at the Commodore 64 version here. Let's try to speed it up, emulation here. Alright, so here we go. Robin Hood. One of my role models in life. Oh, shit. Ooh. There you go. Nice sound effects. And graphics. Cool. Very good graphics for a Commodore 64 game. Liking the colors and level design. Cool. So cool. So here we go. Alright. Oh shit. So I have only tried this game out briefly before. So let's see here if I can time. Come on. Oops. So he turns. There you go. Yes. Let's try to stay away from. One more time. Now let's try to get up there without being shot at. So here we go. There is a little bloke down there. Oops. So let's wait for this little man to pass here. There you got another key. So it's a little bit of adventure. Platform adventure action game. So let's jump up here. Whee! So my health is down to the left there. Four hearts. And I have 3 lives. And my lives is down to the right. So let's duck here. There you go. So the control seems to be pretty nice and responsive here. It's of course a little bit difficult to push upwards on your analog stick. I prefer to jump with the button, but I don't have a choice, so. So this is a very narrow space that I have to deal with this enemy here. Okay, let's see if I can duck. The arrow, the enemy arrow is going through my head, but it don't deal any damage. So thank you for that. Okay, so let's see here. Wait for it here. Okay, let's go here. Oh no! Wait a second. How do I get up there? Do I have to jump up there? Okay, yeah. I can go through there, yes. So now I need to go down here. And from this point on, I don't know actually what to do here. I have to go in here. No shit. Jump up there. Yeah. Okay, wait for it. I need to go slide under there somehow. There you go, thank you. Okay, let's wait for this little man to pass. So this is just a quick look of the game. Okay, let's have a little patience here. Okay. Ay caramba. Shit. Okay, so now I have to slide down here. Yes, duck. Have a little patience here. Shit, this was a pretty tough enemy actually. Oh, it needs a lot of hits. There we go, 5 hits. Okay, so... Okay, that key there looks to the left. I don't know how to reach it. I should try to go down on the platforms here. If it's possible. Wait for it. Oh shit. Okay, let's wait for it here. This must be the way. Whoop. Wee! Shit, I lost health. Ah. So where do I start now? Okay, yeah. It's good that I don't have to start from much earlier. Oh shit. Can I jump over this little fella? Wee! I couldn't. Shit. Okay, so that opens somewhere. Perhaps to the left, because here is no... Ah, there is a sea. Okay. Should wait for the ball here to... Ah, shit. Can I... Ay. Can I go up here? No, I cannot go up there. Okay, so that means... that I have to go to the left somehow. So it's a little bit finicky with the controls. Like that, how am I supposed to jump over? Okay, let's see here. Whee! Ah, for fuck's sake. So it's my last life now, I think. Okay. For fuck's sake. There you go. So now I don't have a clue actually where to go. Perhaps I think I should go up here. For fuck's sake. Game over. Okay, yeah, I don't feel for playing anymore. I mean, it's a cool game. It's a cool game. It's a game I probably will come back to. So this was just a quick video. It's hard to give a verdict of it. Just playing this few minutes. So I'm gonna leave it here. It's a cool game. I recommend it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a good one. Goodbye.